Hello everyone. Hi, how are you? So I'm going to cover a 3-day series. My goal is simple. Every individual should know how to play chess. At least the basic knowledge of chess is something I believe everyone should know. The basic movement, the basic rule. So here I'll cover 3-day masterclass. Not a masterclass, 3-day series where I'll be putting everything which you need to know, how to set up the board, how to move the pieces, how to deliver a checkmate. How to deliver a checkmate won't be covered in 3 days. It will take more than 3 days. But in 3 days, you will learn how to move the pieces and all. So let's get started. Hopefully you can see the screen. So first we are going to see three pieces. Rook, Queen and Bishop. This is called, let me just pick it up. This is called a rook. Okay. And how does it move is, it goes in a standing line like this, or it can move in a sleeping line like this. Let me show you. It goes here, 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 here. Means if there is a rook here, straight, this rook can even capture this rook as it goes straight. However, if there is a block, okay, if there is a block, it can't jump over. Okay, that is all about rook. And rook is worth 5 points. You need to know these points. It will be beneficial later on when you will learn how to play. That time this will be beneficial. So rook is worth 5. Now let's talk about bishop. This is called bishop, B-I-S-H-O-P. How does this move? It goes slanting like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. This is how the bishop moves. Okay? And it is worth 3 points. Means if there is something like here, it can capture it. Okay. Again, yes, it can't jump over. If there is a piece of ours, it can't jump over. Okay. Now let's come to queen. Basically, queen can go both like a rook and a bishop. Means it can go standing line, slipping line like this, and it can even go slanting line. Okay. So this queen can go all directions and it is worth 9 points. So if you are setting up the queen, queen will be placed here. When you are setting the chessboard, rooks will be placed in the extreme edge. Then bishops will be placed here. Remaining pieces we are going to see in coming sessions. So here this is how these pieces move. If I have to set the opponent, it will be placed like this. So stay tuned, stay connected with us because next class I am going to cover few more pieces. Okay? Okay then. Also please like this video. It is my humble request from my side. Please like. I'll be sharing more and more content. Bye bye.